I'm Isabel, the founder of Your Techie Isabel and your online business cheerleader. Let me show you how I create my AI avatar videos using simple tools like ChatGPT, Canva, 11 Labs, and Heygen. Step 1. Create your AI avatar prompt. Go to ChatGPT. Ask it to create your ideal brand persona AI avatar prompt. Once you're happy with the result, copy the prompt. Step 2. Generate your AI avatar image in Canva. Head over to Canva. Click on Canva AI, then select Create an Image. Choose a style that matches your brand, stock photo, illustration, or anything you like. Pick the size that suits your project. I'm using the 16:9 format. Paste the prompt you copied from ChatGPT and click the arrow to generate the image. In just a few moments, you'll get 4 AI-generated images. Pick your favorite and download it to your computer. Step 3. Create your voice clone with 11 Labs. Now go to 11 Labs and sign in. In the dashboard, click the Go to App button in the top right. Select Create Your Voice, then click on Create or Clone a Voice. You'll see 3 voice options. I recommend using the professional voice clone for better accuracy and a closer match to your real voice. In this demo, since I've already used mine, I'll go with the instant voice clone. Upload a voice recording of at least 10 seconds or record one right there and click Next. Give your voice a name, select the language you spoke, and add a description if you want. Then click Save Voice. Now choose Generate Speech, switch to Text to Speech, and type a short phrase to test your clone. Click Generate Speech and you can preview how it sounds. Step 4. Create your AI video in Heygen. Head to heygen.com and open your dashboard. Click on the black button that says Try Avatar 4. Upload the AI avatar image you created in Canva. Write the script for your video, the message you want your avatar to say. Click Select Voice and in the My Voices tab at the top left, choose the voice you created with 11 Labs. If you want your avatar to look more expressive, turn on the More Expressive option. Choose your video format, 720p or 1080p, and click Generate Video. Once it's done, click Download to save it to your computer. If you'd like to use your own image instead of the avatar you created in Canva, you can do that too. Go back to heygen.com, click Try Avatar 4, and upload your photo just like I'm doing now. Write your script, turn on More Expressive if you want, pick your format, select your voice clone, and hit Generate Video. And that's it! You'll have a video just like this one I created with my own AI image clone. Hey there! I'm Techie Isabel, Isabel's AI avatar, founder of Your Techie Isabel and your micro-budget business mentor. A lot of people say you need hundreds or even thousands of dollars to start a home-based online business, but that's just not true. I built my own home business for under $100 a year using free and affordable tools that most people haven't even heard of. Stick around, subscribe to my channel, and I'll show you the exact steps to set up your systems so you can sell your own digital products or services on a micro budget, even if you're starting from zero. If you want a behind-the-scenes peek at how I personally run my business without paying for fancy tools, grab my free guide called How I Run My Business Using Free and Affordable Tools. I share the exact platforms I use every day to run my business on a micro budget. You'll find the link in the description below. And if you're ready to fast-track your setup, my full step-by-step course Start Your Home Biz on a Micro Budget is also linked below. Let's get started without breaking your budget. See you in the next one.